Hello trader, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, May 16th Tuesday market. After 2 o'clock we have received a sell call, so red color candle open. Sell at 44,002, that is our entry point line. That straight green color line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. Every day in live market it will analyze the market movement and generate calls in this chart. How you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible in this chart. For chart plan detail, for subscription detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp, will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. Now we are watching Bank Nifty future. We will show Bank Nifty option chart also, at the money option 44,000 like that. So you will get the idea of how future work in this chart and how option call is working. In this future market at 44,002 we have received a sell call. First target is more than 100 point, 43,892. It's more than 110 point. And second target is double of the first target range. In 1 hour of sell call generated, it finally break out the first target range. It took more than we can say first 30 minutes market traded in a very flat momentum. Market traded above the entry point range only. After 30 minutes market started to move in the downside direction and break out the first target range. 44,000 put option, coming week expiry, weekly option chart. At 201 range the buy call begin and market 10-20 point went downside and started to recover. During that recovery, market came all the way to the 270 range. Like this, it has given a 70 point momentum. Due to a good momentum in the Bank Nifty future, it has given a 70 point momentum in the option chart. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp, will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.